Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to install bezel on this model MRG-1. This is a custom bezel for MRG-1. This bezel also can be installed to DW-9200. Okay, this bezel is made from flexible resin. Okay, so it's easy to install. Okay, I will show you how to install this bezel. First of all, we need to unscrew the side bezel using this screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Okay, make sure you didn't lost the screw. Unscrew all the 4 screws. Okay. Okay, then make sure bezel in the right position. Is mode adjust. That's it. Forward, reverse, unless you will install it not in a correct way. Okay, this way. Okay, start from this is right side. Okay, start from this side. Make sure it fits properly, set that properly. Okay, and then this time you push these 2 buttons, and then you push this like this. It's so easy. Okay, just like that to install custom bezel. Okay, now we put back all the screw. Make sure not too tight, unless you will break bezel. And screw is nicely okay, one more screw. Okay, ta-da, finish. Just took about 3 minutes. If you actually, you can make it faster, but since this is a demo on how to install MRG-1 bezel, also can be installed to DW-9200. So I try to make it slowly so that you will know how to install it properly without break the bezel. Okay, thanks for watching.